In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Safari background. Customizing your Safari start page can give your browsing experience a personal touch. Whether you're on your iPhone or iPad, it's a simple process. First, open the Safari app. If you're not already on the start page, open a new tab. This is where you'll see your current background if you have one set. The start page is your gateway to the web, and customizing it can make it feel more inviting. Next, scroll to the bottom of the start page. You'll find the Edit button. Tap on Edit to access the start page settings. This is where the magic happens. Here you can control various aspects of your start page, including the background image. Now look for the option labeled Background Image. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. This step is crucial because it allows you to display an image on your start page. Enabling this feature is like opening a door to personalization. With background image turned on, you can now choose a background. Safari offers a selection of built-in backgrounds. Tap on one that appeals to you. If none of them catch your eye, you can tap the plus sign, which means Select Image from Library. This allows you to choose a photo from your photos library. This step is important because it lets you express your unique style. After selecting a background, it's time to save your changes. You can do this by tapping the X or simply leaving the edit screen. Your new background will now appear whenever you open a new Safari start page. It's a small change, but it can make your browsing experience feel more personal every time you open a new tab. If at any point you want to remove the background, you can do so easily. Open Safari and open a new tab. Scroll down and tap Edit again. Then simply turn off the background image option. This will remove the background, taking you back to the default view. Here's a useful tip for those of you with multiple Apple devices. If you're using the same Apple account across your devices, you can enable the Use Start Page on All Devices option. This syncs your Safari start page appearance across all your devices. It's a great way to maintain consistency and keep your browsing experience seamless no matter which device you're using. To recap, changing your Safari background is a straightforward process. It starts with opening Safari and accessing the start page settings. From there, enabling the background image option allows you to select and enjoy a background of your choice. Remember, you can always remove the background if you change your mind. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you enjoy your newly customized start page. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day exploring the web with your new Safari background.